ma'am, you would like to speak something in my blog?
No,
No, why?
not interested.
Because I am an English blogger.
ठीक है, हम पर हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदी बोलते हैं।
अच्छा हमको सिखा रिया है।
No, just she spoke English.
She speaks English, but she for your blog.
Yes, this is my blog.
Hi, this him blog. His blog.
Elizabeth, where are you from?
Barcelona.
Barcelona.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know where is the Barcelona. So, Jai Hind दोस्तों, how are you all of you? I hope you are great, you are fine. So friends, I welcome to you in this blog, means English spoken blog. So just we are going to today we have to visit Lotus Temple. We are going to Lotus Temple because we have to practice more and more, so that we will able to improve English. That's why every day we are practicing more. And just I told you already, because I have to go Lotus Temple. Lotus Temple is a sort of the place for practicing. This is a best place in the Delhi, because right now I am in the Delhi, so that's why I am going there. Okay, so let's go. You can see this is a Vallabhganj station, metro station, no station. So that's why let's go from there. And as well as first of all, I'd like to tell you, if you are watching this vlogs for learning English, so this vlog only for you, because practice in English important, so necessary in this particular way we have to go. Just I will take a ticket and I will go by the metro. Okay, just we are going by the lift. Okay, no problem. So let's go and I will meet you in front of the Lotus Temple. Okay. Till then. So Jai Hind दोस्तों, how are you all of you? I welcome to you in my this blog, English spoken blog. So this is a market right now. I am explaining little bit something. Okay, but I don't know I will be able to do or not, but I have to speak. You can see this is a market and there are lot of noise here, as well as there are many kind of person available and everybody is doing their work. His work, know their work. Okay, and best shop available. This is a road, I think. Okay. Hello bro, how are you? बढ़िया? Okay. आप बताइए आप कैसे हैं? आप बढ़िया हैं? Where are you going right now? कहाँ जा रहे हो? Lotus Temple. Lotus Temple. But this way we have to go. मेरा चैनल का नाम है English Spoken Blog. Okay. So bye please. 5 million. Bye bye. Okay, actually they were asking me how many subscribers are there in my channel, so I spoke him already. 5 million. 5 million. 5 million. Yes, I have to speak. Okay. 5 million. So this is a shop. I think you can eat here liti chokha or puri. Wow. But I don't like puri. Okay. This is a sunglasses, I think. You can see. So you want to, so you can purchase it.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
But this is a papaya. How much did it cost? कितने का है? 20 का है? ठीक है उधर से आते हैं उधर। Okay, because I will after visiting there I will buy. Okay, but don't worry. this is area of Lotus Temple, okay. But I spoke little bit also. I have to speak in front of the among people, as well as I have to remove the hesitation. So in this purpose, I came here, and I have to practice. Okay, and you can practice by leaving your house, but you can't speak English in front of the other person. Okay, so let's after. Hello sir, hello ma'am. How are you? No. No. Actually, they don't speak. No, I don't have to come in my video. Okay, no problem, bro. Actually, they are belong from another country. So in this purpose, we should respect them. Okay. They are speaking, not take a photo. So I shouldn't have taken the photo. Okay. So this is your way, and through this gate I have to go. Okay. So finally, friends, we have reached inside the Lotus Temple. You can see this is Lotus Temple area. Okay, many kind of person here. Many kind of person have come here for visiting. Okay, we have to visit also. So that's why we have to go. Okay, stay with us. No problem, and I will try to ask something. Hello brother, where are you from? Japan. So I am from India.
Yeah, India. Nice.
So actually you are visiting India nowadays, right now.
Yeah.
So what is India? Did you recognize something? You can explain?
Jaipur.
Jaipur. Where did you visit?
Where did you
Visit.
been?
Visit.
Visit.
Yes.
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Yeah.
Oh. So sometime you are visiting Lotus Temple. This is place name is Lotus Temple. So did you can speak something about this place?
Yes. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Lotus is beautiful. Temple, Lotus Temple. And is it's ground
No. Inside.
inside.
Yes.
Outside not bad.
Nice. Outside.
Outside,
No.
outside and both sides both are bad.
Oh.
So
You are YouTuber?
yes, I am YouTuber, English YouTuber.
Whoa. YouTuber?
Yes.
Whoa.
So
Thank you. You
Bye.
are YouTuber ka?
actually, so bye. Take the photo. Of course. Actually, my brother subscribed my channel also. Okay.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. You would like to speak something in my blog?
No,
No, why?
गजब बेइज्जती है.
not interested.
Because I am an English blogger.
ठीक है, हम बस हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदी बोलते हैं.
अच्छा, हमको सिखा रिया है.
No, just she spoke English.
She speaks English, but she means she feels Hindi only.
Oh. So you read and speak something, but okay, no problem. Go. Okay. So I think there is no lot traffic. Actually, bro, right now I am getting nervous little bit, so no problem. Okay. It's the first time actually. I am making a blog, so I have been making a blog almost 6 months. But little bit I am making. Okay, so that's why this is hesitation in my body. Okay. While talking to the another person, I am getting nervous. So I can remove it because right now I am doing it. So I can remove. This climate is right now very fine. It's a cool area. Okay. So no problem because you can see this is location. I hope you are watching best way. Okay. So what will you think about this place? Please comment me also, and as well as which type of word meaning right now I am mistaking, but I have to speak. actually I find any person, then I will talk to him. Okay. Because actually my target, I have to talk mostly foreigners, because foreigners came in our country for visiting, for wandering, for looking, watching everything. All what many we can speak. Okay, so that's why I have to talk with them. Okay, right now I have to make a video. I'm having make a video also, so no problem. So finally friends, you can see many kind of person are here. Okay, and I would like to talk to you them. So how are you, sir? No? Okay, no problem. So you can see behind me, okay, this place is best and many kind of person are coming here for visiting also, I think. I hope you are understanding. Okay, so we have to go this way. So
मिस्टी चोट लग जाएगी ना।
जब से देखा तुमको
blogger.
You are an English blogger.
Yes, I am English blogger. So first of all, I would like to tell you what's your name.
But this for your blog.
Yes, yes, this is my blog.
Hi, it's him blog.
देखूं जब देखूं इससे दिल धड़के तड़पे जवानी दाई अख पड़ के
His blog.
Subscribe
Subscribe.
his vlogs. So first, tell me what's your name.
I'm not subscribed yet.
So tell me, ma'am. Elizabeth. Where are you from?
एगो दिल बगोरे ओ भी तहार भइल रतिया के नी
Barcelona.
Barcelona.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know where is a Barcelona, but you spoke already.
गइल अखिए से प्यार भइल
So actually, right now I'm making a blog in English. So you would like to speak something? Okay, friends. Actually, whatever I make a blogs, I don't know how much did I make, but whatever I make, okay. So please comment me also. And how did you like by watching this video, because I have to go, so that's why. Okay, so actually nowadays it's the most important how to remove the hesitation. So one day I will achieve it, but it's not a big deal. It's no easy, but I have to remove. So I would like to talk to you. Okay, and already I have tired right now, and as well as actually I have been come here it's been 2 hours having to come, having came here. So that's why, how did you like by watching this video? Please comment me also. And this kind of vlogs I will upload daily basis. Okay, so I will meet you on other vlogs. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, bye bye, take care.